um, we would like to call on Mrs. Eva Bernabe, the wife of our birthday celebrator. Kasama po ang mga anak ni Ka Andrew, Geraldine, Lynn, let's also call in Mr. and Mrs. Felix and Julie Bernabe, Mr. Willie Santiago, once again, we would like to request the wife of our celebrator, Mrs. Bernabe, and the children, Mr. and Mrs. Felix and Julie Bernabe, Mr. Willie Santiago, Miss Geraldine Bernabe, Miss Lynn Bernabe, and husband Raymond. We are now going to proceed to the cake ceremony. Mangyari po lamang na dalahin sa malapit ni Ka Andrew yung ating cake. Kaya po bang buhatin?
Para dito.
Bago po hipan ni Ka Andrew yung mga candles sa kanyang cake, may I request everybody to please get your glass, raise your glass. Please raise your glass po. Let's go. Okay, let's open the wine. Okay, so while we're waiting for the wine, let us have the candle ceremony first.